To deal with and resolve the problems incurred due to rising damp, it is necessary to intervene using a dehumidifying system that is capable of removing the water through the macroporosity contained in the mortar. Colorificio San Marco has created a package of programs which, together, are capable of maintaining the degree of humidity in walls balanced, permitting the water's elimination through steam, identifying the level of rising damp, and underlining the intervention level to 50 centimeters above the highest point where the damp can be seen. Remove all the mortar from the wall. In order to remove excess salt, wash the wall with a pressurized water system, or if this is impossible, go ahead with its mechanical cleaning using a brush. Apply a coat of Neptunus antisale to create a hydrophobic area, which allows the migration of capillary water and the consequent output of salt and efflorescence. The product is ready for use. Due to its chemical nature, it does not alter substrates. 24 hours after application of Neptunus antisale, apply the fixative jet, manually mixing Neptunus intonico deumidificante with Neptunus additivo di aggancio for at least 1 minute. Mix 5 liters of additive for every 25 kilos of lime and 1 liter of water until obtaining a light and cellular mixture. Apply the fixative jet mortar obtained in this way over the surface area, but without covering it completely, only up to 60%. After at least 1 hour has passed since application of the fixative jet mortar, apply Neptunus intonico deumidificante mixed with 20% of water. The product's mixing times vary in relation to the type of mixer and the temperature. Before applying Neptunus intonico deumidificante, to guarantee a substrate that is the right thickness, prepare specific guidelines with the thickness calculated by leveling and the lack of lumps. In order to guarantee the effectiveness and durability of the macroporous system over the years, Neptunus intonico deumidificante must be applied with a minimum thickness of 2 centimeters. If the mixture is left lying for more than 15 minutes, it must be mixed again before use. If necessary, add more water. An excess of mortar must be removed when fresh and by means of leveling. Avoid air leaving the mixture by firmly pressing it with a stainless steel trowel. After 24 hours have passed from Neptunus intonico deumidificante leveling, mix Neptunus intonico di finitura with 22% of water. Dampen the substrate with water and apply Neptunus intonico di finitura with a steel spatula and adjust it with a sponge-back trowel in such a way as not to compromise the system's macroporosity. After 20 to 28 days have passed, once the substrate has matured, apply a layer of Neptunus consolidante, diluted in 15 to 20% with synthetic diluting solution, on Neptunus intonico di finitura. We recommend you check the degree of the system's residual humidity by means of measuring it with a hygrometer. To fix the surface areas constituted by traditional mortar, use Neptunus Primer H for exteriors and interiors, diluted with water in a ratio of 1 to 2. To obtain the maximum performance from the dehumidifying system, we recommend that you use finished products that have a high degree of breathability to steam and low water absorption. It is possible to apply a covering with a high degree of breathability such as Marcosil KP 1.5 or Marcosil KP 1.2, or coverings with a lime base. It is applied to a dry substrate. It is also possible to apply a smooth finish from the Neptunus Marcosil lines or base products. For more detailed information, please refer to the technical schedules.